guys, it's me again, Julie. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another Heatless Girls video. So, our video for today is another Heatless Girls, like I said. So I'm going to curl my hair using socks this time. These are my socks and my husband's socks. So, itatry naman natin ngayon tong socks dahil last time ang trinay natin ay bandana. So, it went well naman kaya we'll try something else. So, yan na guys. Mukha na akong Christmas tree. Tatapusin ko lang tong kabila. And then, I'll be back. Ayan na guys. Ayan, tapos na. Nagbuka na ako sampayan ng medyas. Or I mean, yung buhok ko. So, matutulog lang ako. Siyempre. Abay, nabablanko ako. Naantok na ako. I'm just gonna sleep and then we'll see the result tomorrow. Tignan natin kung maganda yung resulta. Namamaos na ako. So, I'll see you in the morning, guys. Good night. Hi guys, good morning. Ayan. Tatanggalin ko na itong mga medyas and titignan na natin kung maganda yung kalalabasan nitong kulot na to. I don't think it's a good idea. Ginanyan ko siya. Ang buhaghag na. My goodness. Shit. Ano to? Messy curl? Ganon. Ganyan. Yan. Oh. Saan ka pa? Dabuhaghan na kulot. Okay naman eh. Kaso, nabuhaghag nga lang. Buhaghag kasi buhok ko din. Hindi ko siguro sinuklay. Okay pa. Oh. Marilyn Monroe. Oh. Pero yung pose niya. So, I'm gonna wear this all day. Like that. Ayan, so na-try ko na ang socks. Mali yata yung pagkakagawa ko, pero okay na din. Try nyo to. Ayan. Grabe ang buhagag. My goodness. It's so buhaghag. It's so buhaghag. Tayo-tayo itong buhok ko. Para namang, may magnet sa taas na ganyan. Tapos tumatayo. Kaloka. I suggest, if you curl your hair using socks, you better not, huwag niyong susukulayin gamit ang kamay or brush. Kasi ganito magiging kalabasan. Unless, hindi buhaghag ang buhok nyo tulad ng sa akin. So, yan. Oh, goodness. Okay naman. Kaso sobrang buhaghag lang. Diba? Kaya lang natin na ganyan. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Salamat at sinamahan niyo ako. Kahit na epic fail. I hope you enjoyed this video kahit papano. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click that subscribe button and tick that notification bell for more videos. And I think that's all of it. Thank you guys for watching, and again. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.